What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Object Oriented, and in this video I will show you how you can fix this could not fetch error into your sitemaps in Google Search Console. So if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon button. So without wasting your time, let's do it. You need to go into your Google Search Console account and you will see this error. And to fix this, if you're using a WordPress website, then you need to go back into your WordPress dashboard. And previously I was using Google Sitemap and I was getting this error, so I removed it and installed Yoast SEO. And now I will try to fetch that XML sitemap again into the Google Search Console. So if you are still if you are already using Yoast SEO, then and still you are facing these errors, then you need to deactivate the Yoast SEO sitemap from the settings. Here you will see, let me show you how you can disable XML sitemap of Yoast. Here you need to deactivate this one if you are already using Yoast and still facing these errors. So you need to disable XML sitemap of Yoast, and you need to go back to plugin section and install this one. And if you are using this one already, you need to deactivate this one and go back to into Yoast and activate the Yoast XML plugins, XML sitemaps. So once you done it, you need to go back into, this is the URL of your Yoast XML sitemap. You need to copy this URL and go back into your Google Search Console account and then click on sitemaps. In this section you need to submit this new sitemap. So as you can see, you are still seeing this error. You need to just refresh it one time, and then you will see after some time, 1 to 2 hours, you will see that discovered URLs will start appearing in this section. And you need to one more thing and you need to remove this previous sitemap, and then go back into your sitemap URL, then copy each of these postfix. You need to enter all of them one by one here. Just keep copying them and pasting into the search console. This will help you to improve your indexing speed. Just keep adding all those URLs one by one. Actually you don't need to add author sitemap, you can actually disable this into the settings. So just click on refresh button, and sorry, I just missed C of the category. I need to copy it again. They just remove the wrong URL and enter the correct one, and just click on refresh. If you are still seeing this error, which you should actually not see that. Alright, sitemap processed successfully, so it will automatically update your status. As you can see, you need to click on refresh button several times, and you will see the actual results after 1 to 2 minutes. So here we have successfully added our sitemap links to Google Search Console. So this is the easiest method you can fix your Google Search Console sitemap issues. Just remember, if you are using Google Sitemap plugin, then you need to deactivate it and activate Yoast sitemaps. And if you are using the Yoast sitemaps, then you need to disable Yoast sitemaps into settings, and then you need to go back into plugins and add Google XML sitemaps, and then copy the URL of your new sitemap and add here manually. So this is the method we can use to fix could not fetch error into our sitemaps. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and just ignore my English pronunciations, as you can understand this is not our language. So see you in the next video.